The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has today decided to award the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry with one half to David Baker, University of Washington, USA, for computational protein design, and the other half jointly to Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, Google DeepMind, United Kingdom, for protein structure prediction.
Are the molecules that enable life. The protein's biochemical function is determined by the precise position of each of these atoms in space relative to one another.
In order to understand how proteins work, you need to know what they look like. And that's what this year's laureates have done.
I would like to know which one is your favorite protein and
well, I was sleeping when the phone rang, and I answered the phone, and I heard the announcement, and then my wife began screaming very loudly, so I couldn't really hear very well, and the very nice person who was talking to me told me to go somewhere where I could actually listen, and I think it was very, very exciting, and I think it's turning out to be quite a unique, special day.
This three-dimensional shape is actually almost exactly as predicted. So this
working with me was able to design the first protein. I've been working on protein design for a number of years, and really with the breakthroughs made by Demis and John on protein structure prediction, really highlighted to us the power that AI could have.
Some examples of the very many that have been published, also for the purpose of vaccine development. It's mind-blowing.
And I'm really excited about, I think, all the ways in which protein design can now make the world a better place in health, medicine, and really outside in technology and sustainability.
90% accuracy. So this started to be compatible with the lower picture here, which basically.
It's me again, sorry. But I'm actually wondering, given that yesterday's announcement.
Proteins are involved in almost anything interesting that happens in a cell or in the human body. Anything from antibodies, hormones, how muscles work, how our brain is maintained, is done by different types of proteins. And what the protein design part of the prize is about is really learning how can we use this multi-tool for our own purposes. Can we figure out to do what nature does, but create new proteins with new structures, new functions that we can use in technology, for example, or in medicine, or simply as a tool to understand how the body works. So there is no connection between the prizes. Each Nobel Prize is completely on its own feet, and this one is about really biochemical breakthroughs. The connection that exists is that the foundational research in physics that was awarded yesterday, how to do deep learning, is part of the breakthrough, how to crack the code of protein structure prediction. So this is an application of artificial intelligence, and I would say an exemplary application in the sense that it addresses a really important problem in a really responsible way, in a very well-controlled way.